The DJ main level is terrifying, honestly. Wait, something's going on over there. I'll check that out after I save right here, because I don't want to die. So that last... Music man. Now we're jamming over here. DJ man? Oh, DJ man, my bad. Say cheese. That doesn't affect you. Freddy says hi, and I'll see you later, because you scared the shit out of me. So basically, we're ready for the final of the, What are you doing, you bear? You scared the shit out of me. I didn't know you were there. I forgot you were right there. I didn't even know you were there. I thought you were Roxanne Wolf. Yep, there's Roxanne right there. Yep, Gregory's up there. Just looking around for Gregory. Do. Do we know Gregory's age? I'm not 200 on that. Place the bot. Oh shit, what's happening? I don't know what's happening. This is weird. Ooh, someone's jealous. Someone's jealous. Oh. Jesus fucking Christ. Are you good? Oh, please tell me you're not dead already. Wait, please tell me you are dead already, not. That was, too easy. Something's wrong there. That was too easy. See no evil. Upgrade Freddy with... Should I just throw those two into one episode? I just... That was a little bit too easy. I don't like that. Like, there's no, like, struggle to deal with Roxanne. Wolf, like...
You can't hide forever.
Of course it wasn't gonna be easy. Why do I have to say something?
You can't outrun me. It's not.
Oh my god. Why do I have to say something? I knew it was not gonna be that fucking easy. I had to say something. Oh, fuck. We have your eyes. Just not want to deal with that cutscene again. How did you... Hold on, let me charge this flashlight up before I hit that button and you decide to come lunging at me. Like a fucking...
I heard that.
Okay, whatever. That's all interesting. We gotta find a way out of here. And we're gonna have to this bitch. We took your eyes.
What? I heard that. I can hear you.
hear you, and then she starts crying. And then I hit the button every time I fail. Lag, and yes. And
everybody still loves me, right? Where are you? I just need a little work done. I know you're there. Why are you hiding from me? Heard that. You can't hide forever. I can still hear you. Who's there? I'm the best! It's not your fault. I just need a little work done. I'm not the wizard.
cool, good to know that. But it seems like you're in a melt.
I know you're there.
Ah, that was short, but scary. That might have been short, but that was scary shit. Haven't already that 3 times, maybe 4. I lost track. So they can still get up and walk around. That's actually interesting. Freddy's not gonna be happy when he finds out I've been killing his friends. That's one thing I fear. So what would happen? What's gonna happen if Freddy finds out I've been murdering his friends? So what will happen when Freddy finds out I've destroyed 2 of his friends? Because apparently they're not dead. On construction, we've been keeping those brown out. So I got fed up, and I did a little investigation. It looks like something is drawing a massive amount of power from that workup. We might already know what that is. Now we gotta go back to parts and services. Then we gotta try defeating Chica. Chica's one we're gonna fight next too, huh? What's this? Shit. Anyways. Chica's gonna be next, so this ought to be... I don't want to have to deal with Chica next, man. This is fucked. Probably this episode is, I think it's coming out on New Year's, the 1st of the year. So security breach, you have made it to the 1st of the... This episode came out on the 1st of the year. Yeah, I'm releasing this on the 1st of the... This episode. On the 1st of the year. What the? I don't know why they all look weird and cool like that though. Hit the button. Here we go. We're headed down. Shit is getting good in this game, and I really enjoy it. Okay, it's not letting me pass. There we go. I gotta go on. That's fine though. The reason it's fine is because now I can save here. Took you long enough, game. Okay.
Welcome to Parts and Service. Please select Preparing for Upgrade Procedure.
Okay.
You may now enter the protective cylinder. Let's begin by removing Freddy's face. Press Freddy's nose to remove skull housing.
Okay, take off.
Carefully detach the ocular connectors.
Oh shit. Okay. Square, triangle, circle. Square, square. Ooh, this is not gonna be easy at all.
Great. Plug the replacement eyes into the well done. Reattach the ocular connector wires.
Okay. Alright.
It is time to close the faceplate. Commence testing phase.
Mm-hmm.